Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix wrong GPS location on your phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Fixing a wrong GPS location on your phone involves troubleshooting a combination of software, hardware and settings. So the first thing that you can do is ensure your GPS is enabled. In Android, go to the settings, location and ensure it's turned on. Set the location to high accuracy, use GPS, Wi-Fi and mobile network. In iOS, go to the settings, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down and tap on privacy and security. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on location services and then ensure it's turned on. Number second is to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches with GPS functionality. Number third is to check for interferences. GPS signals can be blocked or weakened by building trees or tunnels. Move to an open area. Phone cases like metallic cases can interfere with GPS. Remove the case and test. Weather conditions as well, like heavy clouds or storms, can sometimes disrupt GPS accuracy. Number four is to calibrate the compass. If the phone compass is off, it can affect GPS accuracy. In Android, use a compass app or Google Maps to calibrate. Open Google Maps, make a figure 8 motion with your phone until the accuracy improves. In iOS, the compass calibrates automatically, but ensuring it's enabled in location services helps. Number 5 is to update your location data. So that's a couple of things that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.